Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri is urging the Department of Education or DepEd and Commission on Higher Education or CHED to revert classes to pre-pandemic school year schedules due to the intense heat both teachers and students are experiencing as of late. The Senate President said teaching personnel and learners are placed in a precarious situation due to the weather pattern the country is experiencing. He further appealed that if possible, all concerned agencies no longer wait for the school year 2025 to 2026 before reverting to the old school calendar and actually make the necessary changes this coming school year so the teachers and students would not have to suffer any further.
Yan sa tingin ko ay pinakamaganda dahil pagdating po ng June ay umuulan na po, medyo mas malamig at ligtas po ang ating mga kabataan sa ganitong klaseng unbearable, intolerable and very dangerous heat index pagdating po ng ating mga summers.